Mix all your dry ingredients together except the sugar. Blend your sugar and butter together until you get a creamy texture. Add in your eggs one at a time. And always stop to scrape the bowl and continue. Lower the speed of the mixer and gradually add in the flour. You can now add in your mixed fruits. These have been soaking in alcohol for about 6 months. These ones are used whole and they contain some nuts. You can check out my video on how to make your fruit mix. Finally, add in your liqueur, your vanilla extract, and finish adding the remainder of the flour. Share the batter between 2 8-inch medium deep pans and place in an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. I've got some extra batter, so I'll just put that in a very small cake tin, which I normally use as my tester. Once the cake is done, you've got to take it out of the oven and leave it to cool down properly. Once it's cooled down, then you poke the base with a toothpick or a skewer, something that's slim and sharp. Then you soak it with any liqueur of your choice. I'm using 3 types here. I'm using the coconut liqueur, the cherry, and the rum. Then I wrap it up in grease-proof paper, cling film, and foil, and I wrap it up further in a bag before putting it in an airtight tin. I repeat same with the second cake. You can bring it out at intervals to resoak with liqueur and wrap it back same and put it in. You can stay in the tin for as long as 6 months, depending on how long you want it to stay. The longer it stays, the more mature the taste becomes. Once the cake is ready to be eaten, you bring it out and soak it a bit with some more liqueur, depending on which one you want. I'm soaking it with cherry so it can have a bit of a sweetness to it. And that's how you make your rum fruit cake. Please Remember to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching.